DJI has been the go-to brand for so many years now, as they have produced some of the industry-leading drones with high-end features. From pocketable compact cameras to high-end filming gears, DJI got you all covered. And if you want to see from a bird's eye view, DJI has got that too. DJI drones are undoubtedly the best and most anticipated prosumer drones available in the market. And a recently leaked roadmap of DJI suggests that we are about to see some more drones in 2022 from DJI. Want to find out if DJI is likely to launch the Mini 3 and also the company's upcoming product lineup? Then watch till the end, as in this video, we will be showing you the rumored upgrades and features of the DJI Mini 3. So, without further ado, let's get started. Last year in December, Dealstone shared a picture on Twitter that shows the timeline of DJI products in 2022. The roadmap seems a combination of speculation based on previous launching events, and since then, more leaks of the DJI Mini 3 started to appear. According to the roadmap, this compact drone is likely to get launched around April, but there was no further information about any of the products. Another tweet from notable leaker Osita LV shared a sketch of the Mini 3 that also showed some of the features and designs of the drone. Based on what Osita LV shared, the new drone is likely to come up with an all-new aerodynamic design packed in a carbon fiber skeleton body. DJI drones are already immensely durable, and it seems they're likely to increase the endurance capability even more. As for the propellers, DJI might increase the size to ensure more stability, and the sketch also shows that the arms might be slanted downwards. This will certainly allow you to fly the drone with more confidence even under windy conditions. And even with all the upgrades, the Mini 3 will still be weighing less than 250 grams, meaning you'll be able to fly it in many restricted areas as well. The camera sensor is also likely to be upgraded for the upcoming drone. The present Mini comes with a 1x2.3-inch sensor that can capture 4K videos at up to 30 FPS. Osita LV shares that the Mini 3 might come up with a larger sensor, but this might not allow the drone for a higher resolution. Rather, the new sensor will capture more light for capturing shots in darker environments with a priority on higher FPS. Previously, the Mini 2 had a downward obstacle sensor for ground detection, but the upcoming drone is likely to have forward, backward, and downward obstacle sensors for avoiding objects from every side. So, it's likely to be a great drone for beginners as well. Osita LV also suggests that DJI might provide a larger battery capacity for extended battery life. Currently, the Mini 2 can fly for around 31 minutes, so even a slight extension in battery life will make the drone great for capturing your desired shots. However, the timeline also shows an FPV version of the Mini drone, which is likely to get introduced in the second quarter of 2022. Though there isn't much information about the FPV Mini, this will make capturing cinematic shots in tiny spaces easier. So, let's just wait till we get any further information on the FPV Mini. Nevertheless, based on the rumored features, the Mini 3 is surely going to be a huge upgrade compared to its predecessor. And with such capabilities, this will be a drone to look out for. What more features would you love to see with the upcoming DJI Mini 3? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.